It was self-care for pathologists, and then you heard the 3 illuminating lectures on how pathologists should take care of themselves. So really, I have nothing to add, but I want to share my experience. So I thought I should tell you these things. Okay. So Dr. Thomas Kishan, Dr. Krishna Prasad, and Dr. Sujay Prasad, they have talked very nicely on the topics. Just two few things to memorize. We receive infectious samples from various departments. It's of prime importance for us to take all due precautions, and it brings out clearly that self-care is the exceeding important. Okay, I want to share my own experience. I had a visit to Mumbai during last December. I stayed for a couple of days, visited only the prime hospitals there, and I developed a cough and turned out to be pneumonia, and RT-PCR was positive. So it wasn't innocuous. I had to be shifted to ICU and received the treatment. By the grace of God and prayers of well-wishers, I could fully recover. Then I started thinking how to improve the immunity. I found out that Yogasanas under the guidance of a teacher are offering this service, and many online and for free yoga obviously has a place in the development of immunity. I have joined the Nagaraj Institute of Yoga on 5th April 2021 and started doing prayers, yogasanas and pranayamas. The advantages I felt that my SpO2 has increased from 93 to 99%. My diabetes and hypertension are under control. I feel more energetic throughout the day, and my body is more flexible, and I can do better yogasanas. If you can spare morning from 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m., there are online free classes by Shri Krishnaji Kvarti sir, founder member of the Nagaraj Institute of Yoga. He teaches very meticulously, taking care of all the persons having many ailments. He has both national and international followers. Yoga is a combination of science and philosophy, and they have developed some yogasanas for prevention of infection. To increase the lung capacity, they have developed a respiratory exercise called as Kapalabhati. This will increase 30 to 40% of more oxygen infusion into all the systems. For immunity, they have developed Agnisara Kriya, which increases efficiency of the liver and intestines, and it includes proper digestion. We all know that we have heard about Krishna Prasad sir and then Dr. Kishan, and because we are seeing under microscope, there is a possibility of fibromyalgia. It is a chronic painful condition of neck, shoulder, anterior and posterior portion of the chest and back. For that, they have devised Parvatasana and Bhujangasana. Our eyes will be tired, and they are advising Trataka, Netrasnana and Netra Prakshalana and lion eyes to remove the tiredness. We are sitting in the chairs which are slightly higher than normal chairs. So the upper body weight will be falling on the lower back and pulling of the blood in the lower legs, by which we are getting the cramps in the calf muscles. For that, they have developed Yashtikasana and Chakragati Kriya for legs and thighs. When we are too much tired, we need Shavasana, which can be done in sitting or lying down position for 5 to 10 minutes of Shavasana. It will give you 4 hours of energy. Last but not the least, the ultimate is Pranayama. You will definitely feel that all cells of your body are immersed in oxygen. You are very fresh and don't get tired throughout the day. So the advantages with all this, you will have very nice deep sleep. So even if you sleep for 6 to 7 hours, it is more than enough for next day morning. You are be fresh and you are taking yoga classes. So this institute has helped more than 1,000 people. There are many kinds of patients from simple backache to heart attack. So proper instructions are given to each of them. There is a great help for corona affected people. They have developed some more asanas. Not a single person of this institute has suffered from corona. They are doing all yogasanas and pranayama. So advantages, special exercises for positive corona patients, and there are more asanas to prevent the mucormycosis infection. It's a scientific knowledge along with Yoga Sutra and Bhagavad Gita. If you are interested and really want to learn these techniques, please enroll yourself in the Nagaraj Institute of Yoga. You can ring up to Shri Krishnaji Kvarti, and his mobile number is 09969860350. Start doing asanas and pranayama and be healthy and enjoy throughout your life. I would suggest everyone from 8 years till the end of your life to join such courses and maintain good health. Finally, I would close my talk by saying Sharira Madhyam Khalu Dharma Sadhanam. It's the health that comes first in whatever we would like to endure. Once again, I thank all the three speakers for their timely suggestions and good advice. But don't forget to do yogasanas and pranayama. Thank you one and all. I thank the KCIPM organizers for giving me this opportunity. Thank you. Okay.